Hello, Lady and the Frogs here. Having a chilled bank holiday Monday. It's quite late. It's 5:15, but I am going to I'm going to start this jigsaw. I sell these, I get hold of these secondhand and sell them on my business account. So the thing with WASGIJ jigsaws is the picture that is on the front is completely different to the picture that you're actually doing. So this time I am going to do it, and I'm not going to cheat. I haven't looked up this image. I had briefly looked to see what the resale prices were on eBay and realised that some people had the proper image, so I stopped looking at them. I don't sell these for much. I just enjoy doing a jigsaw. So this one is the Sands of Time. It's obviously a seaside image. You have to predict the future in this one. So you're not puzzling what somebody's seeing, you're puzzling the future. I don't really know how this is a helpful hint. So some woman there doing knitting is all glammed up in this picture. So it's her who's sat there. I don't really know how that's supposed to help. So it does have supposed hints on the back here. We do like to be beside the seaside. Imagine how the happy holiday makers of yesteryear might enjoy their visit to the beach today. So, I don't know, not really very helpful. I've already tipped the pieces out. It is second hand, so there's a good chance I'm going to have pieces missing. So I have to check these anyway if I'm going to resell them, because you don't really resell things if people are thinking it might be an incomplete jigsaw. If you want to see the completed image without having to watch me complete this, I'll date stamp it down here so you can just fast forward to the stills and the sweep over of the finished piece if you need to have, if you're doing this puzzle yourself and you want to see what the image is that you're trying to do. So without any further ado, I'm just going to get on with this and start putting it together. So I'll time lapse the next bit and date stamp the completion for the video, and hopefully it'll only take me about a day or so on and off doing this, so I can always see how long it takes me. So okay, let's do this. this is everything that I've done in the space of an evening. Quite a long evening, really, because, well, I'm in holiday mode. So I've tended to do the top bit first. We've got a frog here. I don't know why. I thought that I would probably be hitting these bits down here, but I haven't. This is probably one of the easier things. This hint 4 here does show 5 of the sort of anchor points, because that's the problem. You do put things together, but then it's just knowing where they go. So I've got that, and that, but that's not stuck down yet. And what was the other one? Yeah, a newspaper. So I should be able to finish this today. I better do, because I need my living room floor back. I don't have a table. I prefer to do things on the floor, because then it doesn't matter what the size is. I don't have a table because it just became a dumping ground, and you know, I'm not old yet, so I can sit on the floor. Right, so I'm going to crack on with this. Right, 3 pieces left. This last bit has been ridiculously hard. Well, not ridiculously hard, just more annoying than I thought. Yes, right, done. And now I've just got to check whether I've got any pieces missing. But I think it's a winner. Oh God. So this bit, fairly easy. I ended up doing the sky first. Well, that's one of the first bits I did. And that, you know, the gaudy, very obvious bits. But then it just, this bit here, which is more detailed, I was just picking through it because I just didn't really know what I'm looking at, because usually, you know, you would like do something like that and then you'd look at the box and you'd know where to put it. So I ended up with them floating around in the middle for ages. This is only the second time I've done a WASGIJ jigsaw. The first one that I did was the perspective that the person in the picture was looking at. So this one, the hints on this were probably actually more easy. I think the one that the one that I previously did was a 1990s one anyway. So this, it does have this hint for here, which at least means that you know where to put some of these pieces when you make those little bits of jigsaw together. And then obviously this lady here, so that part of the picture there, which is hinting that it looks like that, it was exactly the same as that. And the other hints were just saying, imagine what things look like. But by today's standards, this is, the imagery on this is probably it's very picture postcard, and you know what they probably would say is smutty and misogynistic. So probably by today's standards, yeah, this wouldn't be, well, the woke generation won't like this. I liked it. I'd definitely do another one. I've got other ones. I'm definitely going to keep doing these jigsaws. It was just gone 5 o'clock, so it actually took me just over a day on and off. You know, it's not me like sitting there nailing it, doing a jigsaw. It's really easy because of the type of cartoon imagery that it is, illustrated. It's probably more rewarding to know that you haven't looked the image up. So, you know, I know that you're all here to look at the cheat, which I'll timestamp, and you can look at it. But yeah, pretty easy. You know, definitely recommended. Definitely doing some more of these. So yeah, that's it. That's finished. It's done. Next. Okay. Thank you for watching, and obviously I'll just show you a run through, squiz over of the actual finished jigsaw and the solution. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon with something else.